Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this rolling kitchen cart that this man sent to me for the video. I'm going to show it to you kind of like in a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line is that this one could be really good for two scenarios, I want to say. I mean, more than that, but two ideal scenarios. So number one, if you lack of a space, if you lack of a kitchen countertop, you can put many things in here, like, for example, your microwave, your oven, your coffee maker, your toaster, many things right here because it is 40 inches wide by 36 inches tall. So it's actually pretty big for having tons of space of putting those things. If not, the other good scenario will be in case that you're kind of like hosting for friends and family or something like that, and you want to transport things like, for example, snack foods like salads, meat, whatever, and all the you want to say like forks and knives and the plates and everything to take it from one place to the other one. You can actually do that with this rolling kitchen cart. So let's take a closer look now. So in here you can take a better look. You can see they have three tiers right here. You have the one on top, the one in the middle, and the one at the bottom. You also have all the four wheels with, you have two with locks, so you can actually lock one of this and you're gonna see that it won't move. So then you can lock the other one and it won't move at all as well. You can unlock it and you can see how easy this one just to roll and take from one place to the other. About the assembly process, everything comes explained right here, and I want to say that it's not that bad. I think it's going to take you about like 45 minutes tops, no more than that. So it's a pretty easy assembly, and you have a few things that you can do with this one. So number one, if you want it fixed, you can actually change the legs and put this one with rubber pads so it will stay in place. And the other thing is you have, I don't know how many of this one, probably like 12 or 16 of these hooks over here, so you can just put them right here on the sides, and in case that you have like kitchen towels or things like that, you can hang it from there. Then you have the top one right here, the middle one, which is going to be ideal for like plates and things like that, and the one at the bottom that could be for like I want to say like bottles or things like that. You can actually put it right there. But on this side, this feature is actually really cool because you have two AC outlets with an on and off button over here, and they're going to plug this to your wall, which is a long cable, I think so. And then you can plug things like, again, you can put like your oven or things like that and just like plug it in right here, and you're going to have everything in within easy reach with an on and off button, which I think, again, it's a really nice thing to have. So one more time, if you lack of a space or if you need something to transport things for from A to B, this could be a really good one. It's a nice station, like a coffee station for your oven, your coffee maker, your microwave, your plates, your forks, your cups. Oh, and I forgot about one thing actually. Then you also have right here for your wine glasses. You can put it up here up to many. I want to say you can put like up to 8 depending on the size for sure. And then you have bigger one for mugs as well. So that's another good thing. I like it. I do recommend this one for sure. Thanks for watching. See you soon.